Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Mailspring is a very popular email client for Linux users today. Many people want to know if it is actually free to use on systems like Ubuntu or Fedora. The short answer is yes. Mailspring is free for Linux users. You can download it right now and start managing your emails without paying a dime. However, there is a catch you should understand. Mailspring follows a freemium model. This means the basic version costs nothing. You get a unified inbox for all your accounts. You get a fast search feature that works across your entire history. You also get support for multiple providers like Gmail and Outlook. Most people will find the free version more than enough for daily work. But some advanced features are locked behind a monthly subscription called Mailspring Pro. If you want to see when people open your emails, you have to pay. If you want link tracking or follow-up reminders, you need the Pro plan too. Mailspring Pro also includes contact profiles and mailbox insights. These tools are great for business professionals but not necessary for everyone. The core engine of the app is open source. This makes it a favorite in the Linux community. You can install it via a snap package or a deb file easily. It looks great and performs well on most modern desktops. You do not need a credit card to start using the basic features. Just download the app and sign into your accounts. It is a solid choice for anyone looking for a clean and fast email experience on Linux without spending money upfront.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.